welcome to the Gallery Teachers Masterclass series. My name is Nikki and I am the English language trainer who will be delivering the IELTS Masterclass Top Transferable Tips series. In our first session, we are looking at the second part of the speaking test of IELTS. In our second session, we will be looking at part one of the writing task. And in our third session, we are going to look in more detail at the second part of the writing exam. So really, what we are going to be doing in this series is unpicking the productive side of the skills associated with the IELTS, which is usually the part that poses the most challenges both to the teacher in terms of how to best prepare their students, and also the students when they are wondering, what on earth should I say or write? So we will be really doing a deep dive into the requirements of the exam, the band descriptors for the various different sections of the IELTS, and I will be giving you some top tips and my advice on how to avoid some common pitfalls associated with the IELTS speaking and writing. So, most importantly, my aim is to equip you with the confidence that you need to achieve your desired band in the IELTS. We really look forward to seeing you there, and thank you very much.